Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am not wearing any makeup today because for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and first impressions video of this home facial steamer. Why do I have this, you ask? I don't know. So here's the box. So actually my mom was the one who wanted this and we got it from Shopee for around 617 pesos. So we just got this yesterday and I decided why not make a video about it. So again, I've never used a home facial steamer. That's why I bought one. And again, that's why this is a first impressions video. And I've only had a professional facial for around 2 times in my entire life. So honestly, I don't even know what I'm going to do in this video, but I did some research. So how does a facial steamer work? So according to L.com, here's how it works. Steam increases the temperature of your skin, which in turn heats the debris in your pores. The dirt and oils clogging your pores are usually the consistency of hard butter. But with a little heat, they can be melted to more of a soft butter. It only stays soft as long as the skin is moist, adds... I don't know how to pronounce his name. Once your pores are open, it's easier to clean the skin and rid it of any congestion. Usually, your go-to esthetician is the key to unlocking cleaner skin. But as social distancing becomes the new norm and local businesses closed, it might be a while until you can get back in for a treatment. If you're thinking of taking matters into your own hands, you should invest in a quality facial steamer. The beauty tool can bring the spa experience to your home bathroom. So the next question is, what are the benefits of facial steaming? First benefit is that it's cleansing. So, the steam opens up the pores and loosens up the buildup of the dirt in the pores, which makes them easier to remove. Second is that it promotes circulation. So, the steam gives a boost to the blood flow to nourish your skin and delivers oxygen to your skin to leave a natural and healthy glow. Third is that it releases acne-causing bacteria and cells. So, opening up your pores releases acne-causing bacteria and other impurities that clog your skin, which is the usual cause of acne. Fourth benefit is that it releases trapped sebum. Just in case you don't know, sebum is a natural oil produced by our sebaceous glands to lubricate our skin and hair. So, when sebum gets trapped beneath the skin surface, it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and causes acne and blackheads. Fifth benefit is that it's hydrating. It's hydrating because steam increases the oil production to naturally moisturize the skin. Sixth benefit is that it helps your skin better to absorb skincare products. Seventh benefit, it promotes collagen and elastin. So again, steam increases the blood flow of the skin, promoting collagen and elastin production, resulting to younger looking skin. Eighth benefit is that it's soothing. So warm steam is known to be relaxing for your face, which is probably why a lot of people go to saunas. Though I've never been to a sauna myself, but watching some movies with sauna scenes, they look pretty relaxed. Ninth benefit is that it helps with sinus congestion. So facial steamers can help relieve sinus congestions and headaches, which I think is perfect for me because I always have headaches. I'm not really sure why, maybe probably of dehydration. So if you're sick or if you're not feeling well, try facial steaming. 10th and last benefit of home facial steamers is that it's affordable and accessible. So since the coronavirus is still out there, I think it's pretty practical right now to buy a home facial steamer instead of paying a lot of money to go to a spa, and so that you don't have to leave your home to stay safe. Also, the 10 benefits that I just mentioned in this video are just from research, and I will link them in the description below if you want to read more about them. And with that said, let's unbox it. Okay, so I'm really going to have to read the manual for this video because I have no idea how to use this. So according to the manual, first we have the face mask. Second, we have the nasal mask. Third, it says here that this is the valve for the facial steamer. Fourth, we have a measuring cup. We have the switch, the power indicator light, and the base. Okay, so I'm reading the instructions right now, and it says here to first load the measuring cup with 50 ml of water and pour it onto the base. And it says here to not fill the water above the max line shown inside the fill area of the base. So here, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, there is a sign here of the max sign, so I'm not supposed to go over that line. So I'll just fill this up with water and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with my water and now let's pour it onto the base. I'm just gonna pour this. Now that I've poured on some water into the base, now it's time to attach the steam face mask. It says here to rotate it clockwise. Next, it says here is that when using a nasal mask, the mask can be placed directly on the middle. You can just adjust the steam direction. So I think you're just going to put this on top. There's no lock here, so next, turning on the power, you can choose 1 or 2 switch setting. 1 low, 2 high. Okay. So it also says here, when the steam has completely evaporated or once you are finished, turn the switch to off, then unplug from the electrical outlet. Then relax for 8 minutes after the hydration process and then clean your face with cold water. Okay. So now I'm just going to turn this on to put this at a low setting. Okay, at least it's working. There's a light. Okay, let's just wait. I don't know if you're supposed to wait until you put your face here, or when you turn it on, you can put your face already. Because I don't see any steam coming out yet. Okay, I see steam coming out now. I'm not sure if I'm just going to do this or if I'm supposed to do this into the mask. So since there's a nasal mask, I think I'm going to put in my head. Maybe it's more effective that way. I don't know, I've never used this before. Am I sweating already? My face looks a little more shiny right now. So, it's working. I'm sweating. Okay, so the water's not fully evaporated yet, and I'm still at the low setting, and so far, I'm not that sweaty. I can't put my face in there continuously because it's sometimes too hot for my face, so I'm just going to put my face away sometimes, then go back in. But then, since I'm not fully sweating yet, which is my goal for this video, so I now put it in the high setting so that I will know what it feels like to be in a sauna. done using this facial steamer at a high setting, I noticed that the light automatically turns off when the water has evaporated, which is good since I don't need to set a timer. Seeing the results, my face is a little shiny and my nose and lips are a little red. I actually expected more sweat using this facial steamer, but again, I'm not sure if I'm using this correctly because I've never had this before. And also, after using this facial steamer, I'd say I'm more relaxed and there's some natural glow on my skin. Also, after this, do I feel younger? No. Do I look younger? Probably not. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions, don't be shy to comment down below. Also, if you're interested in buying this facial steamer, I will put the link in the description down below if you want to shop for it. And if you want to see more of my videos, click right here. So that's it for this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!